Here I have VIVO IQOO U3, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool, which will help you to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located right here at the upper edge of your smartphone. So what you have to do is to just insert this tool in the hole next to the slot, slightly press it, the slot pops out, and here you can see, here you can insert SD card, and here you have two slots. This one is SIM 1 and this one is SIM 2, and they're both for SIM cards. And then you put it back into your device, just like this. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. So let's enter it. And there's also a notification that says SD card for transferring photos and media found, which is the proof that SD card is also detected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.